Hey guys, this is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. Thank you for stopping by. We're going to take a look at the gold daily chart here, and I'm going to give you some analysis and go over some specific trading levels for this week that you can use to help you with your trading for this specific week. So, first and foremost, on gold, this big this big down move that we saw right here. This is something we called for. I've gone over it in a lot of my previous videos, so I'm not going to go over exactly why we called for that again. Again, we called for a downside move from here to here as well. So with that said, I want to cover the more recent action and what I'm seeing right now on gold. All right. So first and foremost, we have a pretty big support that we are currently at. You can see lots of bounces in this area right here. You can see bounces right here. And again, right here, just last week, we got a reaction again off of this level. Now, that reaction that we saw right here, this is Thursday of last week, was significant in my opinion. Why was it significant? Well, because we had a gap down, which is bearish. Okay, we opened down here after closing up here, so that's a gap down. And then we ended up recovering massively after bouncing right off of that level, that support level. And then we ended up closing over the previous 2 days highs. All right. So to me, that could be a reversal signal. Now I need a lot more confirmation, but to end the week, we had just a little inside sideways trading day. We made a higher low and we closed pretty much even, just a few cents below where we closed on that day. So right now, as it stands, we're holding the gains from this day right here. All right. If this week we start to break over these highs, okay, and if you're looking at GLD, the spider index for gold, you can see that if we break these highs, I think that it's going to be a nice long signal and that will at least come up to fill this gap up here. It could be an even bigger move than that, okay? So the other thing that I want to point out is we've got a Fibonacci retracement level. If you drop from this major low right here to this high right there, to the high right there, you can see that 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level is right here along this support. So we've got the Fibonacci retracement level right here lining up exactly at this support level. When you have Fibonacci retracement levels that line up with support levels, that is a big indicator that we could get a potential reaction off of this level. All right. The other thing I want to mention too is, let me get another tool here, and I'll also draw a trend line for you. See right there. All right, so we have a trend line that started here. There's a bounce, there's another bounce, and here we are right here bouncing right off against that trend line. So we've got a trend line, we've got a Fibonacci retracement level, and we've got a support level all matching up with each other at the same exact price point. Normally when you have a confluence of levels, three things specifically: trend line, support, Fibonacci retracement level, that kind of builds the case that we could get a potential reaction against this level. Now, again, nothing is written in stone here, okay? If this support level is broken, then I definitely think we will head lower, all right? So if you watch this video and it's a week later and we're down here, don't think that I'm still going to be long based off of this support level. So this support level has to hold, and I do think it's more likely to hold here, especially in the near term, okay? In the near term, we have this big gap that I think will most likely get filled because we got this big reaction right here. So just to kind of break it down simply, If we break about 122.30, the highs of last week, I think we're going to continue this move higher, and we'll get more confirmation that this reaction right here was a bullish one. And the first target is going to be this little gap fill that we have right here. And again, if you're not familiar what a gap is, it's when a close happens and the next open happens well below that. Okay, so there's this big gap here that likes to get filled. You can see there was a gap down here, and we ended up filling it eventually later over here. You can see there was a gap right here. We filled it over here. There's a gap here. We filled it over here. Okay, so you can see that gaps like to get filled. So this gap is more likely to get filled than not. So I really hope that this video is helping you out. If you have any questions about the gold chart, please reach out to me in the comments section on YouTube, or if you're on my website watching this video, feel free to reach out to me in the live chat or using the contact section. That'll be sent directly to my email, and I'll chat with you there. So what you're looking at right now is the real-time portfolio tracker at thetradinganalyst.com. It tracks every single trade that we make here at thetradinganalyst.com. All of these trades are sent out to my paying members here in real time. Whenever I'm entering a position, I'm sending out a text message to you with my exact entry price. Whenever I exit a position, I'm sending out a text message with my exact exit price, all in real time. What you do with that trade is up to you, but a lot of my members use it to trade profitably by following my trades. So the reason I'm showing this to you is so that you can see that we make consistent returns in the market. You can see right here our average win is almost twice as big as our average loser. You can see that, and yes, we do have losses. That is a part of trading. So you can also see here that since July, our portfolio is up over $200,000, $228,000 to be exact. And that's by following all of these alerts that we send out to our paying clients in real time, both the entries and exits, all in real time. So if you're looking for profitable trades, look no further. Join today, and you're going to be able to make consistent returns in the market, just like myself and many of my members are doing as well. So if you've bought and sold trades at the wrong time and you've lost money, or you're not confident about when the right time to get in or out is, then you have to join this premium membership community, because you can instantly reduce your losing trades and become consistently profitable in the market at the same time. So how do you do this? Well, first and foremost, you're going to get access to the easy to follow real-time trade alerts. All right, I showed you on the portfolio tracker that we do make money in the market, and that is by following these easy to follow real-time trade alerts. And again, anytime I enter or exit a position, I'm sending you a text message in real time with my exact entry or exit price. So if you want to make consistent returns in the market, this is your opportunity. All right, if you've been losing money in the market, or you're just not making consistent returns, then this is the opportunity for you to turn that around. Here are a few other examples of some recent trades that we've taken. If you remember at that time, you would have been able to participate with us and make money alongside of us. The next thing you're getting access to is the real-time portfolio tracker. You just saw a little snippet of it, but when you're a member, you're going to get access to the entire thing. And also, what you didn't see on the portfolio tracker is also a different section that shows all of our open positions, so you can track those as well. It lists the target price, the stop loss price, and also any other notes about that trade that I feel are important for you to know. So why do you get access to this? Why do we show you this real-time portfolio tracker? Well, you're getting access to this. First and foremost, it's our way of being 100% completely transparent with you. All right, all of our trades, wins, losses, break-even trades, everything goes on that portfolio tracker in real time. So you're going to see everything. Nothing is hidden, nothing is swept under the rug. Everything is completely transparent for you to see. The other reason that we show you this portfolio tracker is so that you can actually learn what it's like to be profitable in the market, because you're going to see the wins and the losses and the break-even trades and how they all stack up together to equate to profitable trading. So if you've never seen that before, you're going to be able to see that now, finally. The next thing you're getting access to is the professional trading watch list, and these are covered via video, and this is to help you prepare ahead of time for the actual alerts. So I'm discussing what we're looking at on the chart, the specific buy point that we're looking at, and the strategy that we're using. And this is all about preparing you ahead of time for what to expect for these alerts. So you know what to expect and when to expect it. And a lot of our traders even take these trades on their own based off of the watch list alone. So if that's something that you want to do, that is totally up to you, or you can wait for the alerts. But this is about preparing you ahead of time so you know what to expect. The next thing you're getting access to is the exclusive member-only videos. And what you're going to learn in these videos is what's going on in the market right now. I discuss the current market direction, where I think it's headed, specific levels, as well as covering our current open positions, updating you constantly on those positions, as well as giving you detailed analysis about our open positions so that you can learn and see exactly what's going on with them. So we're not just throwing out these alerts and hoping that you can follow along. This is all about putting money in your pocket from the trade alerts, as well as helping you learn and grow as a trader, because you're going to see exactly what these profitable trades look like. So the next thing you're getting access to is a bonus, and that is a full access to our education library. And this is over 200 videos of comprehensive content that are going to help you make money in the market. First and foremost, one thing that is included in these videos is the Options Accelerator course. And this is going to bring you up to speed on options and how to do options the right way. How do I know we do options the right way? Plain and simple, because we make money in the market trading options. So if you want to make money in the market trading options, then you got to watch this video. So if you're new to options or scared of options or skeptical about options, this is going to be great for you. Or if you want to just none of those reasons apply to you and you just want to be have a refresher, or also be brought up to speed on how we do options specifically, this is going to be great for you. The other thing that you get access to in this education library is our complete strategy from A to Z. I'm going to teach you step by step how we deploy our strategy for all of our trades. We use one strategy for every single trade, and I teach you that in this education library, and that alone is worth 10 times the cost of the membership. And I'm telling you that because the reason that that is true is because we make money in the market consistently. So if you want to make money in the market by using a real and proven strategy, then you have to watch these videos. The next thing is scroll down here and you're going to see everything that I just talked about today, and everything that you're going to get when you sign up and you join. This is a total value of over $2,000, $2,400 value. Today, right now, for a limited time, we are giving you access for only $787 for the entire year. That's 12 months of access for only $787. This is the lowest price that we've ever offered on the annual membership. And if you break it down to a daily rate, it's less than a cup of coffee a day at Starbucks. So I don't know what you'd rather have, Starbucks or making money in the market. I think this is going to give you a lot more for bang for your buck. So once you want to join, click that button right here, and you're going to be taken to the 100% secure checkout page. All you have to do here is enter in your name, your email, your phone number, choose a password, and for the phone number, make sure this is a valid phone number that you can receive text messages on, because this is how you receive the buy and sell alerts. Then scroll down here and you're going to enter in your billing information, or you can check out using PayPal by clicking that button right there. Either option is available to you at your convenience. So once you decide to do that, click that button there and you're going to get instant access to everything that I talked about today. Most importantly, you are getting access to the easy to follow real-time trade alerts, profitable trade alerts, which will finally enable you to become consistently profitable in the market. So I hope that you make that decision for yourself, and I'm really looking forward to helping you achieve your goals in the market. I'll see you in there.